3 plus 3 gives us 6. So we have 6 times 3 over 3. Okay, 6 times 3 gives us 18. So we have 18 over 3, which equals 6. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In the numerator, we have one addition and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than multiplication has higher priority than addition, because multiplication comes before addition. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition. If we do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 3 gives us 9. So we have 3 plus 9 over 3. Okay, 3 plus 9 gives us 12. So we have 12 over 3, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.